Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi all, so my name is Iqbal Dia Pratama, and right here I'm presenting to you guys how I solve my assignment for problem number 4 in chapter 13. So yeah, the question is about payroll tax invoice, and below is a payroll sheet for Otis Import Company for the month of September 2014. So yeah, this is the payroll sheet. And after that, the data given are the company is allowed 1% unemployment compensation rate by the state. The federal unemployment tax rate is 0.8%, and the maximum for both is $700. So yeah, we will calculate it in here. And after that, there is an assumption for 10% federal income tax rate for all employees and a 7.65% FICA tax on employee and employer on a maximum of 113,700 and in addition 1.45% is charged both employer and employee for an employee wages in excess of this number per employee. And the instruction given is complete the payroll sheet and make the necessary entry to record the payment of the payroll. B, make the entry to record the payroll tax expenses of this import company. And last one is make the entry to record the payment of the payroll liabilities created and assume that the company pays all payroll liabilities at the end of each month. So we will jump into the answer section. So right here, this is the question from the data given. So the first one, we will calculate income tax withholding. So because there is an assumption for 10% federal income tax rate for all employees, so we will just calculate 10% and we will times it with this number. So yeah, and after that we will automatically calculate that and we will calculate the total of the income tax withholding for all employees. And after that, for the FICA. So the FICA assumption or data is 7.65% FICA tax on employee and employer on a maximum of of this number. So yeah, we will just directly calculate 6.65% from William until Lopez because they don't reach the maximum of this number, but different with Daniel and Kingston. So we will calculate it like this. So yeah, there is in addition for 1.55% is charged for both for employer and employee for an employee wages in excess of this number because they are reaching their maximum number. Yeah, we will get this number for Daniels and same for the Kingston. We will get this number, so it excess. And after that, we got 6.2 because the data is 7.65% FICA tax on employee. And because in addition is 1.45, so we will just minus it and we will get 6.2. And after that, we got the number of how much will we calculate for the 1.45% and 6.2. So we will calculate it like this. So we will calculate their earnings number. So earnings for Daniels is 120,000 dollars, and we will minus it with this number. So we will get this for Daniels, and we will get Kingston for this. So yeah, we will calculate it like this. Yeah, right here. How to calculate this 6 1700 is from, I'm sorry, is from here minus with this. And same with the Kingston. So we will get this number. Yeah, it's right. So yeah, we will just calculate it. And we will total the calculation for the FICA. So yeah, and after that we will count the unemployment tax for state and federal. So the data given is for the state is 1%. So we will calculate seven $7,000, and we will minus it with earnings to the last month, to the last day from August, and we will get this, and also with the for the ray, yeah, and we will get this number, and we will calculate with the 1%, and we will total it, and we got 7. And for the federal is also the same, like we calculate for the state, but there is the difference from the percentage that is 0.8%. Yeah, and we will also total it. And for the intry, so this is the payroll sheet is done. So the intry will like this. We will count salaries and wages expense from here, and we will calculate it in debit. And for the credit one is withholding taxes payable, and FICA taxes payable on the other hand, and we will calculate cash like this. Yeah, we will calculate September earnings minus with the total from income tax withholding and FICA. And that is for the answer for the A. And for the B, we will make the try to record the payroll tax expenses. So yeah, the payroll tax expenses we will calculate from FICA taxes payable, FUTA taxes payable, FUTA is federal, and SUTA taxes payable, SUTA is for the state. So yeah, we will just try them, and we will get calculated for the payroll tax expenses from this number. And after that, the last one, we will calculate and make the intro to record the payment of the payroll liabilities credit. And there is withholding taxes payable, because we count it right here. The data is from right here, yeah. And FICA taxes payable, because there is two FICA taxes payable. So yeah, we will multiply them. So we got this number, and FUTA taxes payable right here, and SUTA taxes payable right here, and we will get cash for the credit on the other hand for this number. So yeah, that's all for this answer for the problem in chapter 13 number 4. So yeah, thanks for your attention. I hope this will help you guys, whoever that watch this video, and this is for the assignment for my class. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.